Welcome to Italy 101, your YIGO Italy cultural guide. If you don't want to purchase your train ticket at the train station, or you want to plan in advance, you can look on a website like the one listed Trenitalia. Select your location, date, time, how many adults, how many children, and search. When the search comes up, you'll see a variety of ways that it's showcased: the departure times, the arrival times, how long the train will be, what kinds of trains, and the price. Different trains are indicated here. Freccia Bianca, Argento, and Rossa are known as the bullet trains, and you also have regionale trains and intercity trains. We're going with the Freccia Bianca train. Each train has different price ranges as well as refundable and non-refundable tickets. Select which one you would like, or you can go to this section where you can see a variety of different offers. This is the offer that we want to do today. Remember, this is a non-refundable offer. You can choose your seats for an extra €2, which is a great way to pre-choose your seats if traveling with family or friends. Once your seat is confirmed, you will now type in your information. Confirm it's the correct train and price. Once you've confirmed, you will be emailed a ticket voucher. Make sure to pre-save this to your phone or other electronic devices so when the conductor comes around, they can easily scan the QR code. Confirm the locations, the times, the places. Also indicate the different train numbers so that you can find which platform you'll be on. Also confirm the seats, and the car number will be indicated here as well. Since you are purchasing these tickets online, they do not need to be validated. Thank you for watching Italy 101, your YIGO Italy cultural guide. If you want to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to our YIGO Italy YouTube channel. If you know someone who could benefit from this video, be sure to send it their way. Ciao for now!